Omukoro gwo kujweka enyota abapoliisi Bakuzibwe gwayebemberwa omuduumizi w'enkambi ya kabiri ey'Amahe Brigadier General Francis Takirwa. Bakuzibwe barimu omuduumizi wa polisi ahabwa ekyanga ekya Rwiz ACP Ezekiel Emitu okuzibwe akaruga h'idara rya Senior Superintendent of Police okuza aharya Assistant Commissioner of Police na n'omuhwezi we SSP Bosco Bakashaba okuzibwe okuruga h'idara rya Superintendent of Police okuza aharya Senior Superintendent of Police. Abandi Bakuzibwe barimu abapolisi bana abarugira h'idara rya Inspector of Police okuza h'idara erya Assistant Superintendent of Police hamwe n'abandi 20 abarugira h'idara erya Assistant Superintendent of Police okuza aharya Superintendent of Police.
Our new promotions shall enhance our performance and we look forward to the additional responsibilities.
As senior officers, the junior officers will also look to you for leadership. I say to all of us, let us aspire to this leadership persona out of a deep sense of duty and humility.
The human resource we see you when the president chooses as the head of, as the commander-in-chief to promote you. It's just an inspiration to you to work hard, to inspire others, and stimulate those inner senses in you to do the best, and that will be seen and recognized by everyone.
Brigadier General Francis Takirwa uri omuduumizi w'enkambi ya kabiri ey'Amahe yabashaba okukora emirimo yaabo endijo abakwasibwe.
As the regional police commander at the rank of Assistant Commissioner, what did you do? Really, does your reasoning still tell you that you cannot do this? So you find that you end up carrying the luggage that wasn't designed for you.
Ahabiri 10 ebyokwezi oku President Museveni arikuherwaho Uganda Police Authority akongera abapolisi barikwingana rushanju na bashatu ebitinisa. Amakuru agagasha kwa Aidan Bataringaya.